Because it's already wet. Yeah, go ahead. So I'll change it. They are waiting right here. See that one? Sabi na. Nalamigan na sila dun sa ano? Blanket na binigay ko. Magbaba na. Mugli. Alis na dyan, Mugli. Ay, Bunton. Alis na, Bunton. 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 Bigyan ko sila ng bagong blanket. Okay. Wawa naman sila. Ito, bago nilang blanket. New wash. Guys, yung aso ko, magreklamo yan pag pag malamig. Ayaw nilang matulog. Basta hindi sila mapakalipag. Wait lang, Bunton! Pag hindi maganda yung nila. Yung tulugan nila. Hindi sila makapakali. Ratatot! Diyan lang, rat! Lagi ko sa mga nalagyan ng ratatot. Lagi ko sa lang nilalagyan ng blanket. Kasi nalalamigan yan sila. Hi, Connie, you're my dog. Connie. Huwag yan mag-away, rat. Huwag mag-away. Snowball. Basta ka aking snowball. Stressy, alas yan. Stressy, alas yan, stressy. Huwag yan. Tulog na. Pag hindi, wala silang wala silang blanket, nagreklamo. Tapos nangungulit sa akin. Kaya, hoy! Kaya alam mo na agad na nagantay ng tapos bago ako matulog, binibigyan ko muna sila ng pagmamahal. Diba na yung ratatut? Nagkasakit ng ratatut eh. Na may stressy naman. Huwag yan bandrat. May snowball. How are you, my snowball? Si snowball yung malamig yan. Ratatut, tulog na bebe. All my dog needs some love. Tulog na kayo. I make sure that they feel comfortable before I do sleep, and I give them some attention and love and scrunches, huggy. Before I do go to sleep, I give them hug, and sometimes I scratch their head before I do go to sleep. Ano man yan, parayaw? As an indication that, I love them, kind of. Alright, thank you for the love. Ano ba Icheche? Ano ito? Ito Icheche? Maybe Icheche is having a lot of poop on the tummy, please. Ano ba ito, Bonton? Look at Bonton, love. Alright, thank you, my dear. Alright. Alright, Bonton. Miss Buntun. If who saw a video of Buntun, Buntun is asking me permission to kiss me. Is it true, Buntun? But then when he is getting big, he don't, he's not active anymore, unlike before. I normally sing for him. I was like, Bonjan, hari ng kagubatan. Ato na timogli. Ano ka timogli? Tulog na tibonte. The goat, they're eating grasses right now. Ngayon sila ng grasses ngayon. Tulog na kayo, ah? Na-stress eh. Walang ligo-ligo yung maaso. Dito kay malamig. Pag pinaliguan ko yan, malamig masyado. Tapos pag tag-init naman, ano naman, itchay-chay. Kamukha ni stress yung aso ni Janong dati. Marcelina siya laruan. Sino? Kalagay ko lang ng betisina sa kanila. Bigyan ko din yung stress eh. Wala silang laruan. Mga laruan nila yung mga charger namin. Ano yung itchay-chay? Wala na, itchay-chay. You're not my dog anymore. Is that good night kisses from itchay-chay? Stress eh. Ako naman stress eh, kuray. Wait lang, stress eh, ha? Stress eh? Wait lang, stress. Aray, nangyang tibuntol. Ay, natawa to. I miss Shannara. Nami-miss ko yung Shannara. When I said that one to Shannara, she will going to be near at me. Namiss ko man ito. Shannara. I'll be like, Shannara. Pati yung Roy to toy. Every time I saw orange dog with a black nose, well, here, like Roy to toy. Hi, Kakaro. I was like, Toy kan Roy to toy. I call him Toy Toy even if he is not Toy Toy. I'm gonna go to sleep now, everyone. It's pretty late. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Check ya. Mga baka niya i-check. Baka sorry niya i-check. Bye. We're gonna leave now. I already gave a lot of love to my dog. Yaman dun nuliling. Tulog ng ratutot, ah? Tingin, nakatututot, ah. Tulog na kayo. Tulog na. Tulog na. Bye-bye, everyone. Let's go bagan ratutot na naman rat. Bye-bye, everyone. I have to go now. It's pretty evening. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for coming to La Library. I have to go now. Ay! George, thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you, George. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you, George.